Trying to make the Viro Cheese Squishy, Part 3, Edge Control Edition. I bought 2 jars of Edge Control. Apparently I can't read because they're only 2 ounces, so I don't know if it'll be enough. But I'll try it anyways. I'm going to scrape it all out. Get my money's worth. No drop left behind. So satisfying scooping it out. I feel so naughty doing this. This texture is going to be amazing. Luckily, I already have. More edge control on the way. I hope that's finally enough gel. I want to squeeze this thing so bad. Satisfying? Oh my god. I meant it when I said no scraps. Left behind. That's all the edge control for now. Come back tomorrow for an update.